Sa mga kamaski guys, mag-repair tayo ngayon ng monitor. Ito, sira ang touchscreen nito. Kaya nakapatay siya, naka-out of service. Alright? So, let's do this guys. Let's remove this cover of the monitor. And we'll see maybe we can figure out what is really going on with this. What is going on really with this touchscreen of this monitor, this Fruit Ninja, yeah, it's been like months of due to touchscreen problem. All right, let's remove this. Let's do this. So right guys, there are screws side by side on this frame. Oh, one is missing already. And we'll see. OMG. This is the problem now. I don't have this small screw. Oh my gosh. So I need a short one to remove this screw on the other side. Right. Alright guys, we remove already the front cover of this monitor. It's very big, you see? Like a picture frame. 1, 2. So we have to do further troubleshooting for this monitor. It's too big monitor, eh? You can see. Right? Just keep going on troubleshooting until we will figure out what is really going on of this monitor. Slab technician.